Assalamu alaikum. Today we will learn how to find out the area of a triangle. The first one is the old classical method in which we use the formula area is equal to half into base into height. This one is a triangle ABC. These are two sides of the triangle. We will use the above formula to find out the area. Here we will let AB as the base and BC as the height. We will put the values of AB and BC. The answer is 6 units square. There is another example. This one is a triangle ABC. This side is given 7. And this height is given and equal to 4. Now, area is equal to half. We will let AB as the base and CX as the height. So the area of the triangle ABC is equal to half into 7 into 4 is equal to 14 units square. Now there is another formula with which we can find out the area of the triangle. We can apply this formula only in the case when two sides and included angle is given. When two sides and included angle is given, then we can use this new formula. The formula is half into A into B into sine C. If this one is a triangle ABC, this one is side B, this one is side A because this one is opposite to capital A, and this one is the angle C. If we have these three values A, B and C, then we can find out the area of the triangle with the help of this formula. Two sides and included angle. Now, for example, now two sides and included angle is given. Now we will use the above formula half. The two sides are 3 and 5 and the included angle is 30 degree, sine 30. Sine, we will find out sine 30 with the help of calculator, or we will put this whole expression to the calculator to get the final answer. The final answer is 15 over 4 is equal to 3.75 units square. Now we will attempt more questions. We will practice more questions from the exercise about the, with the help of new uh, formula for the area of triangle. Question number 1 is, in a triangle ABC, angle A is 45 degree, angle side B is 15 centimeters, the side C is 22 centimeters. Find the area of the triangle. First of all, we will draw this triangle. Angle A is 45 degrees. The side B is 15 and C is 22. Now you can see that we have two sides and included angle. We will apply the formula. Area is equal to half AB sine C. We will put the two adjacent sides, 15 and 22, at the place of AB, and the included angle at the place of C. We will simplify this expression with the help of calculator to get the final answer. The final answer is 116.7. Now, question number 4. We will discuss question number 4. In question number 4, given that the area of the rhombus is 40 centimeters square and that each side is of length 15, calculate the angles of the rhombus. This one is a rhombus, A, B, C, and D. Now, each side is 15 given. Now, area of the rhombus is 40 centimeters square. We will divide this rhombus with the help of a diagonal into two equal parts. Now, this diagonal has divided this rhombus into two equal parts. So, the area of both the triangles is 20 centimeter. Now we have the area of the triangle. We have the two adjacent sides, but we don't have the included angle. If we consider the triangle ABD, then the two included sides are AD, two adjacent sides are AD and AB, and the included angle marked with a blue color is A. Now we will use the formula for the area of the triangle. Area is equal to half into 15 into 15 into sine x. Let this angle, blue angle, as x. Now area is given 20 is equal to 225 over 2 into sine x. Sine x is equal to 40 over 225. X is equal to sine inverse 40 over 225. The final answer is, we will find out the final answer with the help of calculator. The final answer is 10.2. Now, as you know that the adjacent angles of a parallelogram are supplementary. The adjacent angles of a parallelogram are supplementary. So if angle A is 10.2, then angle D is 180 minus 10.2, 169.8. Now we will write down all the angles. Angle A is equal to angle C is equal to 10.2, and angle D is equal to angle B is equal to 169.8. Now question number 5. In question number 5, ABC is a triangle. AB is equal to 40, BC is equal to 80, and ABC included angle is 30 degree. XY is an arc of a circle, center B and radius 10. Calculate the area of the triangle ABC. As we can see that two sides, this one is 40 and this one is 80 given, and the included angle is given, which is 30 degree. So area of the triangle, part number 1, ABC is equal to half into 40 into 80 into sine 30. The final answer with the help of calculator is 800 unit square. Now part number 2 is the area of the shaded region. Now area of the shaded region is equal to area of triangle minus area of sector. Area of triangle is 800 minus area of sector is theta over 360, theta over 360 into pi r square. Here r is given, which is 10. We will find out the final answer with the help of calculator. The final answer is 773.8 unit square. So in this way, we can use this new formula for the area of the triangle, and we can use this formula when two sides and included angle of the triangle is given. Two sides and included angle of the triangle is given. We will multiply the two sides multiplied by sine of the included angle multiplied by 1/2. You will get the area of the triangle. Thank you.